Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori. If you're new here, if you're not new, thanks for coming back. In today's video, I'm just doing a mini fridge restock. If you haven't done so already, make sure you go over and check out my previous video that I uploaded of me cleaning out my entire refrigerator, top and bottom. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, you have made it towards the end of this video. I would like to thank everyone who watched towards the end, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.